guys, look, there are many cars parked here. Now we will loaded all the cars in our truck. What is this, guys? This is a jeep car. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is a cover van. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very nice. What is this, guys? This is a double-decker bus. Wow, it looks so cute, guys. Let's see what else is here. Guys, look, this is a water tank cannon truck. Let's spot it here. See what else is here, guys. Guys, look, this is a carriage truck. Friends, this carriage truck is very powerful, guys. Wow, look, friends, look, this is a police car. Guys, look, it looks awesome. Wow, what is this, guys? This is a police bike. Let's spot it here. See what else is here, guys. Guys, look, this is a drum truck. Let's spot it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a fire service car. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very beautiful. What is this? This is a Tata Sumo car. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Guys, look, this is a drug line excavator. Friends, this drug line excavator is very powerful. Wow, this is a oil tank cannon truck. Friends, this car carries oil. What is this, guys? Look, this is a speed car. Let's see what else is here. Wow, guys, look, this is a helicopter. Wow, it looks so cute. Friends, we loaded all the cars in our car. Let's go. Hey guys, look, there are many cars parked here. Now we will loaded all the cars in our truck. What is this, guys? This is a school bus. Let's park it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a police motorbike. Wow, it looks so cute. It's very nice. What is this, guys? Look, this is a robot car. Friends, this robot car is very beautiful, guys. Look, friends, look, this is a Thomas train. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very beautiful, guys. What is this, guys? Look, this is a jeep car. Let's see what else is here, guys. Wow, guys, look, this is a ambulance car. Wow, it looks so very nice. Friends, here is another drug line excavator. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, guys, look, this is a loader. Friends, this loader is very powerful, guys. What is this? Friends, here is another drum truck. Guys, look, it looks awesome. What is this? This is a bullet train. Friends, this bullet train moves very fast. Wow, this is a garbage truck. Friends, this car works to clean the city. It's very nice. What is this, guys? This is a cement mixer truck. Friends, cement can be mixed very easily with this car. What is this, guys? This is a monster car. Guys, look, it looks awesome. Wow, what is this, guys? This is a excavator truck. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is a wheel excavator. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very beautiful. What is this, guys? This is a mobile crane. Friends, this mobile crane is very powerful. What is this, guys? This is a luxury bus. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Wow, look, friends, here is another ambulance car. Friends, people are taken to hospital with this car. Wow, friends, here is another cement mixer truck. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Friends, we will load it all the cars in our truck. Let's go.